Hey Mama, Lauren Golden here. I am the founder of the Free Mama and the Free Mama movement, and I'm also a bit of a productivity expert. And today I'm going to tell you about my time management tool called the Daily Five. Now, I hope you're getting excited because, not to brag, but this is the last productivity tool you are ever going to need. But first, I have a question. Have you ever gone back to your to-do list and written something down that you've already done just so you can get that instant gratification of crossing it off again? I'm totally guilty of doing that. And here's the thing, most moms that I know, we've got full plates, we've got a lot going on, and we do a lot of different things throughout the day. The problem with these kinds of to do lists, though, is that we're not always doing the right things or the things that we need to be doing throughout the day. And we're trying to do all the things. I am excited to introduce you to the Daily Five. The way the Daily Five works is that you only have to focus on 5 things that you have to get done that day. You're going to jot them down. You're going to get a productivity planner worksheet with this training. You're going to write those 5 things down. And here's the deal. You have to rank them in order. You have to rank them in terms of priority, of importance, and you have to rank them 1 through 5. And the reason that this works as a time management tool and will make you more productive and stop procrastinating on those things that you really need to do in your business, in your life, with your family, around the house. The reason this is so effective is because you don't get to go on to numbers 2 through 5 until you've done that number 1 thing on your list. This takes a little bit of discipline. It takes a little bit of trying it out and continuing with it day after day until you make it a habit. But here's the deal. Once you do, I guarantee you that you are going to be focusing your time and energy on doing more of what matters and less of just filling your day with that ginormous to-do list. So if you are ready to quickly and effectively knock off those things that are on your plate each and every day, the Daily Five is going to be the best way for you to accomplish this. Now, here's a couple insider tricks. First, make sure you fill out your Daily Five worksheet the night before. You don't want to be spending precious time in the morning frantically trying to figure out what it is that you're going to be doing that day. Whether you are in an office at a job or you're at home taking care of your kids full time or a million of the other possibilities in between those two, your time is precious. It is the only thing you can't get more of. And so we all have a lot to do. We all have a busy schedule. And don't you want to protect your time? So start your day fresh with a focused energy. Fill out the Daily Five the night before, and you will start every day jumping into number 1 and making sure you get the most bang for your buck. Insider tip number 2, and you will see this on your productivity planning worksheet when you fill out your Daily Five. Gratitude, I believe, is a super important part of being productive. Why? Because it makes our energy more positive, makes our outlook bright, and it reminds us what we are qualified and capable of getting done each and every day. Speaking of knowing what we've got to get done, what are your goals? So again, whether you are at home or in an office, we all have things that we want to get accomplished. Being super clear on what those things are is going to allow you to break down those goals into individual tasks that you can then slide right into your Daily Five each day of the week. The most fulfilling part of the Daily Five is that it is not about quantity. It is about quality. And isn't that true about most things? You can get 100 things done in a day, but if none of those things are moving your life forward and getting you closer to your goals, you're probably not going to feel as accomplished as you might think. However, if you only get 1 or 2 things done from your Daily Five, but if they're things you never thought you would do or you never thought you would get to or be able to prioritize, then that is a major win, mama. So in the Daily Five worksheet, you're going to hold yourself accountable. You're going to look at what you've accomplished. You're going to celebrate your wins, and then you're going to get re-energized for the next day and make sure that you are focusing on those most important activities first. Last but not least, I don't know about you, but when I had kids, my brain started working a little bit differently. I couldn't remember pretty much my name without writing it down. So in your worksheet, you're going to see that there is still an area for that long to-do list making thing that we come to rely on as moms. It's hard to remember everything. I totally understand that. But by using the Daily Five and this productivity tool, you are going to approach each day with more intention. And with more intention, you will start to see tremendous results in the things that you are able to accomplish in your life. Thank you for allowing me the time to walk you through the Daily 5. I have helped thousands of mamas implement this into their lives already, and the feedback has been unbelievable. So be sure to let me know how it's making an impact in your life. I can't wait to hear from you.